Welcome to another Elite Audio video, and today it is with great pleasure that we have arrived in our showroom all the way from Italy, the Audiozen hybrid amplifier called the Embrace, and they actually refer to it on their website as the hugging amplifier, which is quite a unique perspective. Anyway, let me just quickly show you. Here we go, all ready for us to unbox. And the next thing you will see magically is the unit sitting on our hi-fi system, all here ready to go. We're going to be setting up with a pair of Gato FM50s. We've got a pair of REL stereo setup subwoofers as well, an Antipodes K50 as the source, and an Aqua DAC taking care of the digital side of things. So let's get this unboxed and let you guys see what it looks like. So let's have a little peek inside this box of delights, and we can see the top of the amplifier here. And I've got to say, even just looking in there, it just looks like such a beautiful, beautiful amplifier. Some of the highest spec components that you will see in an amplifier in this price point. 100 watts per channel hybrid. Based on what we've heard of Audiozen before, this is going to be something very special indeed, and I actually cannot wait to get it unboxed and have a listen. So we have just removed this from the really good crate packaging. I've got to say, kudos to Audiozen for making sure that their packing reflects the quality of their components. This is only ever going to arrive in perfect condition from the factory. There we see the Embrace logo on the front there. I think the red surrounds on the meters might cause some comments. I believe that can be changed to black or indeed white, but I think black might be the best option. Wooden side cheeks also on the external power supply. Again, a great idea. It uses a proper umbilical, which, if I just hold this up, you'll be able to see the connectors there, which means keeping the power supply separate from the amplifier itself is a very clever thing to do from a sound quality perspective. So let's get this fully connected up and let's see what it sounds like. Let's turn this down a second. So you've got three different settings here, as you can see, for the VU meters. There is a normal full brightness mode. You can then go to a dim mode, or you can actually turn them off completely, which I guess if you're in a room that's barely lit or you're sitting in the dark with your glass of wine or cold beer, that might be the preferred choice. But for me, I must admit, I kind of like the VU meters. I think they look great. Just have a little peek at the top of the amp here. Just bear with me a second. Right, there we go. So there is the amplifier in all its glory. And then down here we've got the separate power supply. Initial listen is that it sounds great straight out of the box. So with burning, that's only going to improve, I've got to say. As you can see, we've got it set up with the Gato FM50s. This is a brand new FM50. This is the Mark II variant that you'll see on Gato's website. We just unboxed these the other day. They're in the satin black, as you can see, with the black rings, or the dress rings around the drivers, which we think looks really cool. It's kind of like I'd call it a frozen paint finish. It does have that kind of aesthetic to it. We're using the REL S812 subs dual setup, so a stereo pair. And again, if I just come to the back of the amplifier, you will see how we have these configured on the left and right channels at the back there. There we go. This will be heading out for review at some point, and thanks again for watching our video today. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Whoops, I'm going to turn this down so you can actually hear what I'm saying, which would help right enough. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Please follow us on Facebook. There are lots of great offers, and you may get the first notification of any future events. We have a big showroom event planned for the end of May, so please look out for that announcement. It will be a ticket-only event, and we have some great things planned for that day. Thanks for watching. Appreciate you tuning in, and look forward to speaking to you again very soon.